Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting adventure through New Jersey journeys, shorelines, cities, and suburbs. From bustling urban centers to serene beaches and charming suburban towns, New Jersey offers a diverse array of experiences. Let's dive in and explore the Garden State's unique attractions and hidden gems. Segment 1: Shorelines. Introduction to New Jersey shorelines. Our journey begins along the picturesque shorelines of New Jersey, famous for their beautiful beaches, vibrant boardwalks, and charming coastal towns. Cape May. First stop, Cape May, America's oldest seaside resort. Known for its Victorian architecture and stunning beaches, Cape May offers a perfect blend of history and relaxation. Stroll through the historic district, visit the Cape May Lighthouse, and unwind on the pristine shores. Atlantic City. Next, we head to Atlantic City, renowned for its lively boardwalk and casinos. Enjoy a stroll along the iconic boardwalk, try your luck at the casinos, and don't miss the Steel Pier Amusement Park for some family-friendly fun. Asbury Park. For a dose of music history and beach vibes, Asbury Park is the place to be. Visit the legendary Stone Pony, where many famous musicians got their start, and relax on the beach or explore the vibrant arts scene. Segment 2: Cities. Introduction to New Jersey cities. New Jersey cities are rich in culture, history, and innovation. Let's explore some of the state's most dynamic urban centers. Newark. First up is Newark, New Jersey's largest city. Discover the Newark Museum of Art, explore the beautiful Branch Brook Park, and catch a performance at the New Jersey Performing Arts Center. Don't forget to visit the Ironbound District for some delicious Portuguese and Brazilian cuisine. Jersey City. Just across the Hudson River from Manhattan, Jersey City offers stunning skyline views and a wealth of attractions. Explore Liberty State Park, take a ferry to the Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island, and enjoy the vibrant dining and art scene in downtown Jersey City. Hoboken. Next, we visit Hoboken, the birthplace of Frank Sinatra, and a lively city known for its waterfront views and bustling nightlife. Stroll along the Hoboken Waterfront Walkway, visit the Hoboken Historical Museum, and indulge in the local dining scene. Segment 3: Suburbs. Introduction to New Jersey suburbs. Beyond the cities and shorelines, New Jersey's suburbs offer charming communities, beautiful parks, and family-friendly activities. Princeton. Our first suburban stop is Princeton, home to the prestigious Princeton University. Wander through the picturesque campus, visit the Princeton University Art Museum, and explore the charming downtown area filled with shops and restaurants. Montclair. Next, we head to Montclair, a vibrant suburb known for its arts and culture. Check out the Montclair Art Museum, catch a show at the Wellmont Theater, and enjoy the eclectic mix of shops and cafes in the downtown area. Morristown. Finally, we visit Morristown, a town steeped in Revolutionary War history. Explore the Morristown National Historical Park, visit the historic Ford Mansion, and enjoy the local dining and shopping scene. Segment 4: Nature and Outdoor Activities. Delaware Water Gap National Recreation Area. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Delaware Water Gap National Recreation Area offers hiking, kayaking, and breathtaking views. Hike the Appalachian Trail, take a scenic drive along Old Mine Road, and enjoy the beauty of the Delaware River. The Pine Barrens. Explore the mysterious Pine Barrens, a vast forested area known for its unique ecology and folklore. Go for a hike, paddle down the Batsto River, and discover the historic Batsto Village. High Point State Park. Visit High Point State Park, home to the highest elevation in New Jersey. Enjoy hiking, swimming, and stunning panoramic views from the High Point Monument, which overlooks 3 states. Conclusion. And that wraps up our journey through New Jersey journeys, shorelines, cities, and suburbs. From the beautiful beaches and vibrant cities to the charming suburbs and stunning natural landscapes, New Jersey truly has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. Until next time, happy travels!